You've landed in a new country. But your journey isn't over yet. For many first-time international travelers, the next hour can be the most confusing part of the entire trip. Where do you go first? Immigration? Baggage claim? Customs? I've seen travelers make mistakes after landing that cost them time, money, and unnecessary stress. In this video, I'll guide you through every step from leaving the aircraft to walking out of the airport so you can start your trip with confidence. Let's get started.
Landing does not mean to stand up immediately. Before leaving your seat, develop a simple habit. Check for your phone, passport, and wallet.
Your next stop is arrival immigration. Keep your passport and any required travel documents ready before you reach the counter. Good morning. Once cleared, follow the signs to the baggage reclaim area. Once you reach the baggage claim area, don't wait at the first carousel you see. Check the information screen to find your flight number and the correct baggage carousel. If your bag is damaged, like a broken wheel or a cracked shell, don't leave the airport just straight to the airline's baggage service desk to file a report before you pass through customs. With your luggage collected, follow the green "Nothing to declare" signs if you don't have restricted items. It's the quickest way to exit the secure zone. Congratulations! You've completed immigration. Now it's time to get connected so you can contact your family or navigate to your hotel. If you're staying for several days, buying a local SIM card at an official airport mobile store can be a convenient option. Before every trip, download offline maps, your hotel reservation, and important travel documents. They'll still be available even if you don't have internet immediately after landing. You've successfully completed every step after landing, from immigration to managing your money. Your international journey is ready to begin. Every experienced traveler was once a beginner. The difference is preparation. Follow Flying Nomad 77 for trusted tips. Until next time.